Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customz YouTube channel. So today we're on part 2 of the Canada edition and we're going to be installing these small lights on the grill. So hopefully we can get all of these done. So we're going to install four of them, and they're going to go inside the grill somewhere like this, and they're going to be in amber, I believe. So we're going to wire them up, and we're going to try wire them up to a switch so my cousin can use it whenever he wants instead of it being on constantly. So we're going to try get that done, and to make things harder, it's snowing right now, so hopefully it doesn't get too cold and we can get this job done. If you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel I talk about things I'll be doing on cars, such as customizing it, making things become new, such as installing these lights on my customers' cars, on my family's cars like this, on my project car, which is a 7 Series E38, and my 4 Series F33 convertible. So if you do like content like that, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment and be part of this Alpha Customz journey. So let's get straight into it and let's get crack-a-lacking. So something I wish that would never happen ended up happening to me, and that is my files becoming corrupt. So those files that became corrupt are the ones which shows me removing the grill as well as installing the lights into the grill. So I'll try and show you guys a picture right now which shows the grill, and these are the 4 screw points that you want to remove, or I believe there are 6. And then once you remove this, you can just pull out the grill, and then you'll get access to the grill, and you can start installing the lights from behind. The way that I installed these lights are through drilling 2 holes on each side of the grill, and then pulling a zip tie through the actual light and then placing it that way, so that it's held into place. You can do this by 3M tape or zip ties, but zip ties will keep it more solid compared to 3M tape. So we've come to the end of this video and we've installed the lights. So as you can see, they're currently on. However, I didn't get this powered to a switch since the switch hasn't come in time, and I'm doing this video just as I'm leaving back to the UK. So I will tell my cousin to do that later, and let's get my cousin in the frame and let's see what he says about the lights, even though he's already seen it. What do you think about it, Brent?
Looks really nice, man. What can I say? You know, you came through again. Alpha Customz, man. All the way. This is a Canadian edition right now.
Yeah.
So. But yeah, I would definitely recommend Andrew in Alpha Customz.
So yeah, this is the end product, and if we go to the back, we can see the rear lights that were done in the previous episode, and this is the front lights that were done in this episode. And as you can see, the Sonata is off as per Brent's preference.
And I guess we've just been alphamized.
So this is it from this video, and I hope you found this video informative. If you do like content like this, where I'm modifying cars or adding little features to different cars, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment to our Alpha Customz journey and be part of this Alpha Customz journey. And as well as this, you can stay on top of our project car, which is the 7 Series E38, which we will be releasing new videos for pretty soon. As well as this, we'll be doing things on the 4 Series and on our customers' cars. So don't miss out, and subscribe to the channel and click on the notification button so that you're always notified when these videos come out. So till next time, peace.